Look at it go! It's so fast! I can't believe it's actually here.
Hey, friends! Have you ever wondered how a package magically arrives at your door in just a few minutes? Well, today I'm going to reveal the secret. It's all thanks to a brave little drone. This isn't just any ordinary machine. Our drone can zoom through the sky, dodge birds, fly past skyscrapers, and even sneak through secret pathways between trees, all to make sure your package gets delivered safely. But wait, there's more! Did you know drones use air currents, a bit of physics, and a lot of computer smarts to stay in the air? That means they fly like tiny superheroes. And the funniest part? This drone has its own personality. It loves to giggle, say hello to birds, and sometimes even sing a little song while flying. Today, we'll follow our drone on its exciting journey. What does it need to watch out for? Avoiding tree branches, finding the fastest route, and making sure the package stays safe and dry. Every delivery is a mini adventure. Wind, curious dogs, or a playful cat, nothing stops our brave drone. Along the way, it learns teamwork too. If it sees a friend in trouble, it stops to help. Because even drones know helping others makes the world a better place. So next time you see a package floating down from the sky, think about the little hero flying all over town, solving tiny problems and delivering happiness. Get ready, kids, for a sky-high adventure full of laughs, discoveries, and amazing tricks. Stay tuned, because the fun is just beginning.